Hi, this is Maria Vega. I'm recording. This is a recording for a classroom observation, Unit 6, where I'm gonna make some observations from a class that is designed from a website. It is not directly done by a teacher, but it's done by a website, so I hope it can work. If not, please let me know. So I see in this website they have different examples of having a class. So in this case I was a student, and also I was, after taking the class, I saw and I did some observations. So we're gonna go to the first question. Question 1. Share the collected data with the teacher and discuss the checking process as seen from the teacher's point of view. Number 2. Reflect on the last column. What did the learning check achieve? Add any relevant information to your grade. So in this case I saw that the students that take this class, they can get the right answer sometimes, and when the students doesn't get the right answer, the teacher give them feedback by telling them try again, or finally, if the student doesn't get the right answer, the teacher gives the answer by several times when the student try again and once again. Question 3. Looking over the 5 instances of checking that you collected, it is possible to do any of the following, like label them, group them according to any similarities, rank them indicating your criterion. So in this case I see that we can label them as choice questions, and also we can rank them because the comprehension questions could be ranked them according to how many questions the students have answered from the text. Question 4. Generally, was there a neat link between the purpose of the check, column 3, and the results of the check, column 6? If not, what factors are relevant here? The column 3 makes the question, what does teacher check? And the column 6 makes the question, what did learner check achieve? So here the teacher is focusing on what he wants students to learn and what concepts he wants for students to achieve. Question number 5. Were there times in the lesson when you would have checked learning but where the teachers did not? Or where you would not have but the teacher did? Think about what and why you would have checked and how that varied from what happened in lessons. Were all the times the teacher was checking learning by making questions? Yes, I had asked about more concepts such as what pout is a verb, spill as a noun, and crio as a noun. Or in this case, I have asked the student what the words he didn't have the concept. Question 6. Consider again the stated objective of the lesson you observed. What is achieved? How did you know? Did the learning checks in any way seem to propel the lesson onward towards this objective? Did the monitoring of learning the lesson have any connection with reaching or failure to reach the lesson objective? Well, right here, the teacher realizes about the achieved knowledge of students when the student answers the question. And every time the teacher asks questions, is because he wants the students to get better deep comprehension of the text. Question number 7. Have you any comment to make on how monitoring of learning might influence the shared decision that a teacher makes in the classroom? Well, in this case, I have. Yes, I have. If the teacher sees students learn what they were taught, and if all the students grasped equally well and equally quickly, teacher will follow the same way is teaching. If not, the teacher will change the way of teaching the students. For example, the teacher could use pictures or real scenes or videos, songs, or so on. It depends how he looks the student. Well, thank you so much.